Lucy's famous recipe.
Lucy's famous recipe. Знаменитый рецепт Люси.
Lynn is in the kitchen with her grandma, Lucy.
Lynn is in the kitchen with her grandma Lucy.
Grandma, are you making your famous recipe?
Grandma, are you making your famous recipe?
Yes, it's your favorite.
Yes, it's your favorite.
Is it an old family recipe?
Is it an old family recipe?
I can't talk about it. It's a secret.
I can't talk about it. It's a secret.
Well, can you teach me how to make it?
Well, can you teach me how to make it?
Okay.
Okay.
We need 2 cups of rice and 3 cups of water.
We need 2 cups of rice and 3 cups of water.
Okay, what is next?
Okay, what is next?
Salt and
Salt and pepper.
How much salt do we need?
How much salt do we need? It's a question.
only a little. Next, we need oil.
Only a little. We need oil.
What is next?
What is next?
Oh, it's a secret.
Oh, it's a secret.
Grandma, please.
Grandma, please.
Okay. We
Okay.
need 1 tomato and 4 eggs.
Okay, we need 1 tomato and 4 eggs.
Grandma, where is this recipe from? I need to know.
Grandma, where is this recipe from? I need to know.
Okay.
Okay.
The recipe is from a cookbook.
The recipe is from a cookbook. Поваренной книги. Рецепт. Кулинарная книга, поваренная книга. A cookbook.
Grandma,
Grandma. Pepper. Water. Favorite. Famous.
water. Famous.
Cup. Cups.
Cups.
Cookbook.
Cookbook.